6 areas of your home you likely forget to clean. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video in this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. If keeping your home clean and tidy is your #1 priority, you are definitely on a good track. A clean home is a sign of a talented housekeeper and a person who loves hygiene and understands the risk of neglected chores. However, everyone is guilty of leaving certain areas of a home neglected. Not typical big chores, like tidying up the rooms or cleaning the carpets. Rather, some small areas of the home can be missed during a larger clean. If you are always rushing to clean your home properly, you will often forget about these things. Let the following list serve as a reminder to clean them the next time. Number 1. Drapes and blinds. These are considered dust magnets for a good reason. They seem to accumulate quite a lot of dust, and it is only through proper cleaning that you can get rid of it. Metal and plastic blinds are rather easy, just wipe them with a damp cloth and a multi-purpose cleaner. Wooden blinds can do with just water, and fabrics should be wiped with a microfiber cloth. As for drapes, you can usually just put them in the washing machine and hang to dry. Number 2. Appliance top. You may be regular in wiping the exterior of your appliances, but don't forget that wiping the tops is also important. Truth is that they become dust traps and should be wiped whenever you deal with other parts of the same appliance. While you are at it, check in between counters and appliances. Number 3. Handbags. You may not have thought about it, but your handbag is probably quite filthy, even if it doesn't show. Think about just how often you lay it on the ground or some other unclean surface. Why clean it so rarely then? Check the manufacturer's instructions based on the type of bag and employ the right cleaning methods. Number 4. TV remote. Remotes can become germ paradise if left unchecked for too long. With many hands using that tool on a daily basis, it is no wonder that it gets so nasty. A quick wipe with cloth soaked in vinegar will do the sanitizing trick. Number 5. Ceiling fan. If you have a ceiling fan, you know just how irreplaceable it is in the summer. However, don't forget that it won't clean itself once dust starts accumulating. If you don't want it falling on your head, give it a quick wipe with a damp cloth every now and then. Number 6. Rug bottoms. Even if you are regular at vacuuming your rugs and carpets, you need to know that some effort should be put towards cleaning the underside of rugs. Dust and dirt accumulates there, and it is up to you to clean it. By paying attention to these items and areas of your home, you can be sure that the place will be cleaner than ever. You can then take more pride in your home cleaning skills. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 020-8884-9149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching, and until next time, create a greener and healthier future.